Guys, welcome to my channel. This is where today I'm going to open this parcel. I don't know what is inside this parcel, but my dad told that it is only for my dad. Okay, let's see what is inside. It's a black box. Oh, it's a headset. See, this is a headset. Okay, now I'm going to open this headset. It's very tight. These are the items we got. Okay, now I'm going to open this. Wow! Massive headsets. They are not in one place, right? These are going somewhere. See how it is turning. See how it is going like this. I can see how it is turning. It's going there. He's going here. I think it will not stand in a place. It's going there. I can't keep them in one place. They are massive, guys. I thought they were this much small. I thought they were only this much small. These are massive headphones. Wow. But these are nice. Now let's open these things. I think this is the charger for connecting. See, a massive point to keep. Where I need to keep? Here. No. I think I need to keep this thing. Yeah. But where I need to keep this? Oh, I think it's for the laptop. I think my daddy took for Zoom meetings, calls, and something else. And they gave something cards. I can't understand. We can listen music also. They gave all cards. And this is the manual. And the headphones company is boltt. And it's the cable for charging. Where is the charging point? Here is the charging point. Yes. Here is the charging point. We need to keep this charger. This is a Bluetooth headphones, and if it is not connecting to Bluetooth, they gave a wire like this. This is for laptop point. We need to keep this point here. We need to keep this point here, and we need to keep this for the laptop. It's big and massive. Okay, I don't know that for the laptop it is. I think it is for laptop. Let me see for what it is used. How do I connect previously paid devices to headphones? Enable Bluetooth device. It's not coming. If you want to connect it to Bluetooth, they gave enable Bluetooth in the device that was previously paid. Turn on the headphones by holding down the. They gave a symbol. We need to hold this button, on/off button, continuously. The headphones will automatically pair with the device. Means we need to just press it like this and keep our finger like that, and we need to turn on the Bluetooth in the device that we need to connect. Then it will automatically connect it to that device, and just we can how to set this thing. Yes, and keep this and listen. My voice is echoing. Okay, but this is very soft, and this is also very soft. Okay, bye bye. Meet you next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Bye bye guys.